AI influencers are everywhere right now, and the beauty of it is that these influencers are getting millions of followers and millions of views on either their social media channels, and it's pretty big at the moment because it's quite an interesting space. You don't need a camera, you don't really need a big audience anymore, and the brands that want to work with these different digital personas would want to reach out to you. So you can use these AI influencers to create content and short videos, which then you can plug into a monetization system. So in this video, I will walk you through using Higgsfield, which is an AI tool that combines the creation side as well as the earning side all in one place. So let me share my screen. All right, so here's Higgsfield, and as you can see, you've got AI influencer over here. So I'll show you exactly how you can create your own AI influencer, and then we'll go from there, right? So what you can do is you can choose the different types of body, like different species. You want an ant, you want a bee, you want an octopus. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to choose human. Obviously female because they normally pop off and go viral. And you can change your skin color as well. So I'll change your skin color over here, right? So make sure you choose it because sometimes it just glitches out. And then you go, okay, apply. Then you can choose the eyes. You can actually choose different types of eyes. You can choose one different eye as well. Um, I'm going to choose purple and green. And then I'm going to make it adult. Obviously, you can choose the skin conditions as well. I've noticed that a lot of the ads that are online at the moment are using different types of pigmentation. I think it's just mainly to, catch people off guard and obviously capture attention. So you can create it through this way, or you can create it through a prompt. So I'm just going to generate influencer right now. So we'll let that one load. All right, so this is our AI influencer. So as you can see, you can also change the prompt here as well. So if you want someone who's, a little bit different, but you want to use it through text, like visual styles and stuff, I would suggest going into ChatGPT or even Gemini or an LLM and drafting the prompt for you so that you can get the actual character that you want. So then from here, you can then go to regenerate. You can edit in Banana Pro if you want, or you can create the video or save. So I'm going to save this one as a cover. Cool. And I'm going to try for free and you can explore more motions. So when you get to motions, obviously there's different dance videos. So for example, you can choose this one. Yep. Or this one, or this one. So you can choose all these different ones. They've got ones like this. Yep. So once you get that, you can just click which one you want. So I actually like this one. So I'm going to get her to follow this one. You can also do advanced settings too. You can add in prompts. You can change the orientation. And you can change the quality too. So for the purpose of this, let's do 1080p to get the highest resolution, and let's click generate. All right, we'll let that one load. All right, so this is still loading, but I'll show you some examples so you can see this one. And then there's this one. So what you can do is you get a social media channel. So you create an account for these AI influencers. And then once you've done that, and it could just be a theme, it could be them talking, it could be them dancing, it could be, just anything that will attract people to your brand as well. And obviously, you don't want to just keep having dancing videos. Like you want to maybe create ones where they're talking as well, and maybe insight, teaching people about something. So like for the example, this is the one that we just created. Not bad. So it's pretty good. So you can obviously create a social media channel for them. And then once you've done that, you then obviously upload and you see how many views you get. And then once you get to a point, whether it's on TikTok, whether it's Instagram and YouTube, you get to a point where you're like, sweet, this AI influencer is doing really well. You'll obviously monetize from a few ways. So, like, first way is through monetization through the social media platform. But then you can obviously through Higgsfield, they've got a program now where you can earn through their campaigns. So, this is the amount of money that they're currently earning through all users at the moment. So, as a user, you can earn as much money as you can, and there's different campaigns as well. So, three simple steps: log in, create an account, start posting your content, post it on your feed, make sure you paste the link into your dashboard to begin tracking it, and then get your money, right? So, it could be, upwards to 2,000, 3,000, and it just keeps boosting, right? You can boost it through Higgsfield Earn. Then you can also join different campaigns as well. So, once you've obviously joined the campaign, you can see how much you can obviously earn. And depends on your following as well. So once you get to a certain state with followers, obviously these campaign amounts will be larger. So that's another way through Higgsfield Earn, right? But then you can also, and how to claim this is that you obviously put in the links and then you claim through Higgsfield. And then the final way I would say is leveraging brand deals. So like if a brand that comes out to you and you're like, oh, you got like awesome, exposure and views and impressions, would love for you to partner with us. And then from there you can get um, those brand deals to work alongside you and collaborate. And there's plenty other ways as well. There's ways where you can create products from the AI influencer, like teaching people how to create one themselves, how to grow their channel, different niches as well through digital products and AI applications as well. So those are the ways that you can actually earn through Higgsfield as well, which I find is quite cool because not many people are a part of the official program. I know myself, I'm just getting into it, and you can start earning that way as well. And then you can see the different types of ways you can do it too. So this lady here, she's AI. She's not real. Obviously, you can see the skin tone is like really dark, but you can see she's got 2.7 million followers. And the her top viewed post is 325.4 million. So that's the potential that you have in regards to creating these AI influencers. I know people do want real people as well, but with AI influencers, it's just easier because you don't actually have to be on camera, and it doesn't have to be dancing videos. It could be anything else, but the possibility is there. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and follow for more. And I'll catch you in the next one where we'll be talking about more AI tools as well as tricks to help you in your day-to-day life.